Yo, what is up, gentlemen and small percent ladies? Since no one really has a attention rate anymore in 2023, I wanted to do some more Star Wars shorts. So that's what we're going to be doing today. And answering the question, why does General Grievous cough a lot and, well, wheeze? Well, it's pretty easy to explain. As seen in Brian Andrews' 2003 2D Clone Wars microseries, General Grievous's rib cage is actually crushed by Mace Windu using the Force. Originally, it was supposed to be because just of all the cybernetics, his body couldn't fully handle it, and that's why he coughs so much. But originally, they changed it in this. Well, thanks for watching. Subscribe.